all. We are at the organization committee of the Karnataka State Dental Traders and Manufacturer Association. So we'll have an introduction of each of the member. Hello, sir.
Hello, my name is Radhakrishnan. I am the General Secretary of Karnataka State Dental Traders and Manufacturers Association. We started our association in the year 2017, and this is the fourth successive Karnataka Dental Expo we are conducting. And all these 4 years, it is very successful, and we had very good response from the doctors. And traders are also happy, even the doctors are also happy. I think more than 100 companies are representing their products in our expo, and people are happy, and we are also happy.
Okay, it's nice talking to you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾರಾಯಣ ರಾಜು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ದಂತ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಗಳ ಹಾಗೂ ತಯಾರಕರ ಸಂಘದ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು. ಈ ಒಂದು 4ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಇದು 4ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಜನಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಪಕರಣಗಳು, ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು, ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Murli Krishna, Vice President of our association. Thank you.
I am Vishwas. I am from the managing committee.
Hi, my name is Shantaram, Joint Secretary, KSDTMA.
Hello, I am Siddharth Singhania. I am the Organizing Secretary for the Karnataka State Dental Traders and Manufacturers Association.
Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Surendra. I am in the organizing committee of KSTDMA, and as a doctor, I need to also add on that this is one of the greatest platform that we see. People are experiencing the refinement in the dentistry. At the same time, we see for students, doctors, and from different states also they have come. Though it is a Karnataka state, but we see a lot of doctors coming from different states as well. So this is being conducted as 4th edition, as already everyone said. We are going good this year. Thanks everyone.
Hello, I am Ratan Jain. I am the treasurer of this association. It gives immense pleasure when we get equal appreciations from dentists as well as the traders who take stall here. So people have appreciated that the venue which is in the center of the city, it is very convenient for both of them. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Santosh. I'm organizing committee, KSTM.
Gopal Krishna, managing committee.
Thank you all for the brief introduction about the company and yourself.